Hi students, today we shall learn non-action verbs and this is worksheet number 3rd of our PB. Since we have been doing tenses, knowledge of non-action verbs becomes very much crucial. Action verbs are those verbs which express actions done, and non-action verbs are those verbs which describe a state, not actually an action. Maybe a state of mind, about mental actions, about possession, verbs expressing feelings, emotions, or senses. So let's take some examples to understand about non-action verbs. Jump is an action verb. She is jumping. It is expressing an action. He is eating. Again, action going on, expressing action. Hitting. He is hitting a ball. He is running on the road. She is smiling. So, in these all verbs, action is going on. So, they are action verbs. But this one is non-action. If we write, she is knowing about the problem, this is wrong. She knows about the problem. So one more thing I want to make clear, that non-action verbs are not expressed in progressive tense or continuous tense. They are only expressed in simple present tense. For example, this one, I know about this problem. Here we are using present simple tense, not the continuous one. So these are action verbs and this is non-action verb. Then let's understand the categories of non-action verbs. First, non-action verbs, they express opinion, maybe about feelings, maybe about mental states. Let's take examples. First, believe. I believe it to be true. Again, simple present tense is used. Then I doubt you, I trust you, I like this video, I like this portrait, I agree to your proposal, I prefer to take tea, I disagree to your opinion, I want this gift, I think you are wrong. So this way, in present simple tense, we can express our opinions by using non-action verbs. Next is non-action verbs, means they express sense perception. For example, smell, feel, hear, taste, see. So these are all non-action verbs but of sense perception. How do we use them? Smell. This food smells bad. I feel it to be secure. I hear some noises from the room every day. The food tastes bad. Then move on to the next, verbs of possession. The verbs expressing possession. First, I own this car. I own this house. They possess human traits, human qualities. I belong to this group. So, this way we can use verbs of possession. Then let's take more examples to learn about action and non-action verbs. She wants a cheeseburger now. The cheeseburger tastes good. She is eating a cheeseburger. Wants, taste. They are non-action verbs as they are expressed in simple present tense. But this one is expressed in present continuous tense. This is not a non-action one. This is action verb as it is expressed in progressive tense, continuous tense. Next is the verbs which are expressed both in action and non-action, means both they express both action and non-action. They are known as action and non-action verbs. These are the verbs. For example, think. I am thinking about the maths problem. So here thinking is going on, action is going on. So it is expressed, it is used as an action verb. The next is I think this sum is quite easy. So here I think, here no action is going on, only opinion is expressed. I think that this a sentence, this verb is used to express only an opinion. So it is a non-action verb. Next is smell. The girl is smelling the food. Again, action going on, smelling the food. Action going on to smell the food. The next is the food smells bad. Here, no action going on, only opinion is expressed. Next, it is taste. The chef is tasting the soup. Again, the chef is doing action, and this is our action verb, tasting. Tasting is going on, tasting process. The next is the soup tastes bad. Here, opinion is expressed about the soup. So, non-action. Next, have. They are having dinner. So, action going on, taking dinner. They have a beautiful house. It's non-action. It is expressing about possession. They have a beautiful house. Means they are owning they own a beautiful house. They are the owner of the property. Next is feel. She is feeling miserable. Again, action verb. The next is she feels miserable after the injury. Non-action means again opinion expressed about the injury.